sun is burning in summer, so people say it's hot, oh it's hot. It's so hot, so they go up the mountain to get a cool breeze. Then he find it's cool on the mountain, so he tried to bring back the breeze. The breeze get hot away from the mountain, so he broke his heart and cried. But he didn't have to go on the mountain. You can get the coolest breeze here. The coolest breeze is Hitachi-Rurukula. Hitachi-Rurukula.